We have cloudy conditions out there across the area, which you can see here in Holland, looking out into the distance. A little bit of traffic passing through the intersection, but it's a pretty quiet night for us. Maybe a few little scattered flurries just because it's really cold and the air just above the surface is even colder. We're 21 in Greenville, 23 for Ionia, 26 in Holland, which is one of the warmer spots, 25 in Hart, and 20 degrees in Big Rapids. We do have a little bit of a wind from the north, but this is pushing any potential of lake effect snow out of the way for now. However, as we go into later tomorrow, we get a wind direction change back out of the northwest, and that will help to bring in the potential for some lake effect snow, especially for Wednesday. Friday, too, there will be another system coming in to help bring in some more widespread snow. Overall, though, it is going to continue to stay cold this week. Doesn't look like we're going to get to freezing in the near future. So that's something that we've been dealing with for about the last 4 or 5 days in the 20s. But our overall snow totals, at least looking through Wednesday, most of us will see 2 to 4 inches, but there could be some spots along the immediate lakeshore getting more than that. Here's the first system of the 2 that we're waiting for. This is the Alberta Clipper system. It's going to kind of roll into our north and east. So we're going to get a bit of a glancing blow in terms of that cold air. However, the wind direction change will allow for Berrien County all the way up even into Muskegon and Oceana counties, right along the immediate lakeshore, of some higher snow accumulations possible. So overall, the next couple days, winter impacts are limited here for everybody in blue, which means almost no real impacts. But the yellow areas along the lakeshore is where those higher accumulations could be and more impacts will be felt. Tonight, temperatures will be cold. We're going to drop a couple of degrees from where we are into the upper teens, but even with just this little bit of a wind, it could be feeling as low as 12 or 13 through the early morning hours. Definitely need to bundle up for early tomorrow, but hopefully tomorrow afternoon, we're actually going to make it into the upper 20s. We've been in the low 20s the last couple days, so even just a difference of 4 or 5 degrees, you'll feel that for sure. We should be able to keep away any kind of flurry potential through much of the day tomorrow. You can see this model trying to push a few little light lake effect snow flurries towards portions of Allegan County, Van Buren, and into Ottawa County, but I think most of us are going to stay dry through most of the day tomorrow, staying cloudy. This front will roll in into early Wednesday, and it's about that time that we're going to start to see more of those lake effect snow bands taking shape. And models have been pretty consistent in keeping a heavy band here between Muskegon and around South Haven and not moving that band for about 12 hours. In that case, we could get some heavy totals there. Eventually, we'll see some of this get pulled in a little bit farther to the south, but depending on where these dominant bands form is, of course, where all of that heavy snow will be. So you can see those higher totals from Benton Harbor all the way up through Muskegon. There could be some areas picking up 4 to 6 inches of snow. And then for the rest of us along the 131 corridor, if the winds are not strong enough, we won't be able to get that heavy snow pulled inland. So there will likely be some much lower totals across inland areas versus higher totals for more areas along the lakeshore. Thursday, a transition day. We may even see a few peaks of sunshine, but very cold in the morning. Friday and through the weekend, a bit unsettled with more snow.